Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi friends. Today's story title is The Poison. Hussein was returning from town to his village. He was happy because he had sold all his goods in the town's market. He stopped to rest by a fountain. I'll let my donkey graze a bit while I have a snooze under that tree, he thought. Just as he was about to sleep, he remembered the money in his money bag. He thought he should put it in a safe place. He opened it and looked at the coins. They all were there, and they were none missing. He put the bag inside his shirt and drifted off to sleep. Unfortunately, there was a thief in the tree who saw everything. The thief was a very bad man, and he had spent all his life harming other people. His eyes glimmered when he saw Hussein's money bag. Slowly, he sneaked down the tree and took out a straw and a jar of bubbly poison. He spread some of the poison on the straw. He silently approached Hussein, who was sleeping deeply. He planned to kill him and take his money by simply blowing the poison through the straw into Hussein's mouth. I think he might die or he will just kill Hussein. We don't know, so let's find out. Just as the thief was about to administer the poison, Hussein suddenly sneezed. Achoo! The thief was surprised and swallowed, taking all the poison into his mouth. He died immediately. Our holy prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah harms the person who hurts others. Friends, always remember this hadith and never harm anyone. I hope you like the story. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.